These two Japanese models belong to different eras, with their respective technological advances and with completely different propulsion systems. Both will face several tests to proclaim a winner. The motor industry is constantly evolving, and what was once a major breakthrough is now catalogued as basic. Not only the designs are more sophisticated and advanced, but also each and every one of the mechanical components, in addition to the large number of electronic components present today. Since Honda decided to stop production of the original NSX, a few years have passed, so much so that a couple of them decided to take back those iconic acronyms in the form of a hybrid. As we say, the technology has advanced exponentially throughout this time. But we do not know if it is enough for the Honda Civic Type R of the current generation to be able to beat the legendary Japanese sports car. The guys from Carwell have decided to face these two Japanese references to each other. For this, they have prepared 3 types of tests composed of an acceleration race, a drag race launched, and a braking test. In them, will be evident the advantages and disadvantages of their propulsion systems. Finding an atmospheric mechanics of 6 cylinders with 280 horses in the NSX and a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 320 HP in the Civic. The victories will be shared between both, but we will not reveal who has proclaimed the winner in each. We will only say that the aerodynamics and lightness of the sports car seem to prevail over the modern and futuristic lines of the compact. However, the Type R's turbocharger and ventilated brakes have not said their last word.